I think the only way we can live a happy life is when we master the art of detachment. It might hurt you, but that's the truth. क्योंकि जब हम खुद को लोगों से या चीज़ों से बहुत ज़्यादा अटैच रखते हैं तो हम खुद को एक सर्कल में कैद कर लेते हैं, जिसकी वजह से ना तो हम अपनी लाइफ में आगे बढ़ पाते हैं और ना ही ज़्यादा खुश रह पाते हैं. Because excess in everything is never good. So it's better that we learn how to detach ourselves, and that's what this video is all about. It is divided into two parts. Firstly, we will discuss why is it important to detach ourselves, and secondly, what are the steps that can help us to master the art of detachment. So let's get started. Firstly, I want to clarify a very simple thing that whenever we say the word detachment, we feel like, oh, I have to cut off all of the people and I will not talk to anybody. No, it's not like that. Detachment isn't about ignoring your feelings or disconnecting from the world, it's about not being controlled by them. It is the ability to let go of the things that are holding us back. So, why is it necessary to master the art of detachment? When we are attached to something, we are giving it power over us और हम उसे अलाउ करते हैं कि वो हमारे ही इमोशंस, थॉट्स और एक्शंस को कंट्रोल कर सके. We are also holding ourselves back from experiencing new things, meeting new people, and growing as individuals because we are stuck in something and we need to let it go. And if we don't do it, we will be so exhausted either mentally or physically because now they have the power to control everything about us. For example, if there is a person whom you are so attached to tell you to do a task which is not good for you, but instead of declining them and saying them a no, you are ready to do it because you are so attached to that person, and no matter if that task is good for you or not, you will do it because that person told you. Now you'll feel like, what if I don't do this? He or she will think that I don't agree with them. They leave me. They won't talk to me again. I should do that. Maybe that's how we'll be together. And I really want to ask you that why is any other person is so important to you instead of yourself? Why should we give priority to everyone else but not ourselves? Why should we prioritize everyone's happiness but not ours? So, in some situations, detaching ourselves from others is really essential and important. एटलीस्ट हमें खुद को तो पता होना ही चाहिए कि हमारे लिए क्या सही है और क्या नहीं. Let's take another example. If you are in a self improvement journey and a friend came to you, again with whom you are so attached to, tell you that, oh come on dude, why are you doing these stuffs? इन सबसे कुछ नहीं होता. You should be doing this or that. And now you might feel like, he's right. I should be doing this, not that. But let me tell you, they are not right. They are just dragging you out from a positive environment to a negative one. They are just controlling your thoughts and emotions. I know, हर कोई एक जैसा नहीं होता. कभी कभी कुछ फ्रेंड्स हमारे अच्छे के लिए भी कहते हैं. But some are really toxic. So you should be aware about yourself and detach yourself from these kind of people. By the way, I've made a video on how to deal with toxic friends. You can check that out too. You'll get the link in the description box. Now, what are these steps that can help us to master the art of detachment? First of all, we need to start by becoming more aware of our thoughts and emotions because when we are aware of what's going on inside us, we can start to see patterns and habits that are holding us back, and then we can understand where we are attached and where we need to let go. Second one is start setting boundaries. When we set boundaries, we are telling others what we are comfortable with and what we are not. Now we are taking control of our own lives and we are not allowing others to control us because think of it, if we don't have any boundaries for ourselves, everyone will step over us. Thirdly, practice forgiveness. I think this one is very important when you are trying to detach yourself. When we forgive others, we are releasing our attachment to negative emotions like anger or resentment. Because I don't think holding grudges is the right thing. When you forgive others, you are letting go of your past and allowing yourself to move forward in your life. क्योंकि जो हो चुका है हम उसे बदल नहीं सकते. So it's better कि हमारे actions और emotions हमारे past experiences पे based ना हो. और वो तभी होगा जब हम दूसरों को माफ करना शुरू कर दें. And lastly, start embracing changes. You'll relate with this thing. When we are attached to things, we are afraid of changes. We are afraid of unknown and afraid of losing what we have. But when we embrace change, we are opening ourselves to new opportunities, new peoples, and new experiences. So it's very important to have a mindset where you know that things are going to change, but at least I'm not afraid of it because we need to accept the reality and move forward with it. So, at the end of this video, I want to say that mastering detachment isn't always easy. It takes practice, patience, and self awareness. So, don't be too hard on yourself, just take small steps and stick with it. And I believe that you will master the art of detachment to live a happy and peaceful life. So, that's all for this video. Thanks a lot for watching this video till the end, and make sure to subscribe my channel for more such valuable contents, and check out all of my social media links in the description box, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep improving.